The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 launch date is formally official, and we have all of the specifications and design details, including live photographs, and you can even reserve the phone now. The Samsung Unpacked event has been officially announced for July 26th at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. Now, Samsung has now opened up reservation pages where you can reserve your Z Fold 5 or Flip for free, with no obligation to purchase and a $50 discount. We have all of the elite renderings courtesy to Win Future, and they show the Z Fold 5 in all its beauty, as well as the fact that it will be available in beige, black, or a new blue color option. In terms of design, you can see that there are no substantial modifications, and the largest difference is that the camera module has been made a little bit smaller, and the LED flash has been relocated to the top right. Amit Kedar also tweeted the exact specifications, confirming that it would be 10 grams lighter. Of course, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 improves performance, but all of the other features, including the battery and rapid charging rates, remain mostly same from the Fold 4. Of course, we have the same battery capacity as the predecessor, but we will have greater performance due to enhanced efficiency with the new processor, and Ahmed claims that we will have up to 20 hours of movie playing and 72 hours of music. Of course, we're also getting the new water drop type hinge, which will finally enable the Fold 5 to fall entirely flat, but although early rumors indicated that it would be water and dust proof, fresh sources indicate that it will just be IPX8 water resistant. We've already seen photographs of the Z Fold 5 prototype floating around. Samsung has attempted to improve the phone as much as possible without completely redesigning it, and there are even rumors of a $100 price decrease, which would be fantastic. It's probably not worth upgrading from the Fold 4, but for anybody having an older folder or receiving their first folder, it's going to be a fantastic gadget. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.